How to fix Telegram not loading images and videos. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we will see how we can fix if Telegram is not loading images or videos in your mobile device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The issue could be due to various factors such as your network connectivity, app settings, or device issues. So here we will see how we can fix it. First of all, check your internet connection. If you're on your mobile data, you can switch to your Wi-Fi or vice versa to check if the issue is network related. If that's not your case, now you have to adjust the Telegram application setting. So once you have opened up the application, tap on the three-line icon from the top left corner. From here, tap on Settings. Once you're under Settings, scroll down a bit and under Settings, tap on Data and Storage. Here, at the first section that is Automatic Media Download, ensure you have toggle on for this both option, that is when using mobile data or when connected to Wi-Fi, so that your media will load up immediately. And if that still does not help you, from the same section, tap on Storage Usage. So once you're here, tap on Clear Cache and then tap on Clear Cache. Now once all the cache is cleared, which will free up some space and may resolve your loading issues, you can go back and try to load the images or pictures. If that still does not help you, then what you can do is open a Play Store in your device. Tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner and in the search bar, search for Telegram. Here, if you find any update button where I have opened, that means your application needs to be updated. So update the application. Once you open up the application, you can go back and check whether your problem is solved or not. Since the updates often fix bugs and improve performance, your problem might be solved. If still not, now you can uninstall the Telegram application from your device and reinstall it from Google Play Store, which ensures a clean installation. For that, navigate to your application, tap and hold on it, tap on App Info, then tap on Uninstall. Confirm it, and once the application is removed, now open up the Play Store and reinstall it, and then log into your login credential, and that might help you solve your problem. So these are all the way that will help you fix if you're not able to load images and videos in Telegram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.